Hey guys, hello everyone, and welcome to my first video series. So this video series is all about implementing secure CI/CD pipelines. So I was very confused about the title, but yes, this is something related to DevSecOps, implementation of AppSec pipelines, so you can say secure CI/CD pipelines. And mainly it's related to how the software development lifecycle can be made secure if we try to adopt the methodology of fail early and fail fast. So the main focus for this video series is to find the vulnerabilities in the SDLC as early as possible. Okay, so who am I? So I am a penetration tester and a security automation engineer by profession. I love to code many of the automation scripts, and I have recently completed OSCP. These days I am planning and I'm preparing with assembly, getting my hands dirty with it, and I'm preparing for OSCE next. This is my GitHub profile. You can visit and check whatever the code, small things that I have developed till now, and I would love to connect with any one of you on Twitter as well. Okay, so moving forward, if we talk about what we will learn during this whole series of videos, I have made the videos by keeping in mind some of the fellow beginners who are really not into CI/CD things, but they can also get their hands started with these videos. So we'll get to know about what is actually a CI/CD pipeline, how actually things work in a pipeline, and what is this buzzy word as pipeline. Then before we move on to like integrating the security things in the pipeline, we will get our hands dirty by creating our own lab environment on Amazon Web Services. Once our lab is set up, then we'll move on to creating a basic pipeline that simply takes the source code of our product and deploys it. I will get to it and will make it clear what actually the basic pipeline thing actually means. So once our basic pipeline is made and ready, we'll try to learn about how can we actually implement different security tools or different security methodologies in the pipeline. Once this video is not about just taking some of the selected tools and integrating it to it. The main idea is to know the approach that we can use in applying any of the tools and integrate with our pipeline. So once we complete all these things, we'll be having a demo of a complete DevOps pipeline that will be having many of the security checks into it. So one of the thing is how the videos are designed. So I initially tried and thought of making a whole pack of all the things that I wanted and just make it a simple part, but due to limitation of time, what I'll be doing is I'll publish the first part initially, that will be related to creating a whole AppSec pipeline of a Java based application. And this part will include integration of many of the security features as well. The second part will be released maybe next week or sometime I get the time at that particular time. And then the third part will be mainly related to the container security and how can we integrate the container security in a CI/CD pipeline. So this is the whole plan that I have thought regarding this video series. And thanks for watching the video, and in the next video we'll get to know about how can we actually move ahead and get to know about more our lab environment, what is the actual thing that we are going to make, and much more. So stay tuned and have a great time.